Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I am creating this look. This is my birthday look and this is the makeup I was wearing on my birthday, and this is a kind of daytime look. And yeah, I just love this look and I thought, okay, while getting ready I should share this look with you guys. So let's begin. I have done my eyebrow, it's nothing changed, and first I am using my Farsali Unicorn Essence serum to just prime my face, and this serum is just wow, I just love it so much. And so first I am priming my eyes and I am using this Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and this concealer is really good. I am currently using this a lot these days, and I am setting it up with this Revlon press powder. So I am taking this Galaxy Cheek palette from BH Cosmetics and taking this Venus shade from this palette and applying it on the crease and blending it all the way a little bit up on the crease, and blend it is a way that it looks very soft and subtle. And my girl is at home today, and I am taking this Mars shade and applying it all over on the lid, and this is a very shimmery kind of shade, and all the shadows from this palette are literally so beautiful. And then I am applying this Pluto shade on the outer corner of my eyes and then blending it a little bit on the crease. As you guys can see, blend as much as you want and apply as much as you want. I want to keep this look very soft and subtle, so I love to blend this a lot. So I am taking this Mars shade more and applying it on the lid, and I am loving this shimmery kind of shade. And now taking this Mellow Cosmetics Precious Pen eyeliner in the color black and applying it as a wing today. So then I am taking more of this Pluto shade and applying on the outer corner. I have applied this Modelrock lashes off camera, so I have shown it before in my videos. Then I have sprayed some setting spray on my face and also on my beauty blender, and then blending this 310 foundation by Fenty Beauty. And yeah, you guys know how much I love to spray this setting spray on my face and then blend the foundation. This way it makes my foundation look very flawless. And also I am using this Eco Tools beauty blender here. Look how flawless my foundation look. Then I am applying this Instant Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline, and this one is in shade medium moyen. And yeah, I am applying more of this setting spray, and then I am using this same Eco Tools beauty blender and using the other side of the blender here and just blending all the concealer on my face. And yeah, then applying this press powder by Revlon, and this one is in shade 820 light to pale, and just pressing the powder on my face here, like applying all over the face and neck. And taking this Morphe's bronzer palette, and this one is All6PW in shade, I think this is the palette number, and applying it all over my face, as you guys can see here. And the brushes I'm using are exactly the same brushes I have used in my other makeup tutorial videos, and it's either by Morphe or Zoeva I'm using here. You can use any brush of your choice, the brushes you like. I love some brushes from Zoeva and Morphe, and I am applying this eyeliner. This is LOL liner, and to be honest, this is 02 very black liner, and literally it's so good. It's just a $2 liner from Kmart, which I bought long time ago. So here I am just brushing it off with this Glamorous blush palette by BH Cosmetic. Then I am taking this Mars shade and applying it here. As you guys can see here, first I am just smudging the liner, then I am applying more of with this pencil brush so that we can see some of the color there under my lower lashes, that shimmer shade. And then I am using this Rimmel London's extra long lash mascara, and literally this mascara is really very good, and I think it's more better to use on your lower lashes, just because the brush is very precise and you can apply it correctly without smudging. So here I am taking this Ofra Cosmetics Feeling Myself highlighter and taking this Radio Drive and applying it all over my face. As you guys can see here, and my daughter is like getting ready to, you can see her at the back doing some of the stuff, and she's trying some of the necklace here, and I am loving this highlighter so much. Literally this is just an amazing highlighter, and I am also applying some on the inner corner of my eyes and also under my brow bone area. And this highlighter is like my go-to highlighter. I can use it for every day, and literally I have tried so many highlighters, but I end up using only this one. And here applying this lip liner by Wet n Wild in the shade Plumberry, and this is a very pigmented lip liner, and like Wet n Wild lipsticks and lip liner are really good and affordable. And applying here this Wet n Wild's Rebel Rose liquid lipstick, and this liquid lipstick is like, oh my gosh, it's literally so beautiful, and the shade is like you can wear anytime, daytime or nighttime. You can just apply it anytime. It's just that soft shade. And yeah, this is the finished look, and I just can't believe how much I love this look, and the pictures I will be posting on Instagram. And here is the dress I am wearing on my birthday. This is from Belly Girl. It's a shop here in Australia, and also you can buy the dresses and outfits online. I think they also have the shop there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video with your families and friends, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.